Starting your fertility treatment is filled with hope, questions, and perhaps a mix of emotions. We understand that this journey is deeply personal, and here at the Hewitt Fertility Centre we want you to feel informed, supported, and empowered every step of the way. We're going to talk about something essential to your treatment: informed consent, and how we have made this important process straightforward and stress-free using the Fertility Consent platform. We recognize that beginning fertility treatment can feel overwhelming. There are medical decisions to make, legal requirements to understand, and at times, it might feel like there's simply too much information to process. That's completely natural. You're embarking on a journey that matters deeply to you and your future family. And while the path ahead requires some important paperwork, you're not alone in this. Informed consent isn't just a legal requirement, it's your protection and your voice in your treatment journey. Understanding and giving your informed consent means you know exactly what your treatment involves at each stage. Understand how your eggs, sperm, or embryos will be used and stored, have legal clarity about parenthood rights, and can make decisions that feel right for you and your family. It's about ensuring you have all the information you need to move forward with confidence and peace of mind. In the UK, all fertility clinics are regulated by the Human Fertilisation and Embryology Authority, known as the HFEA. They're the independent body that ensures the highest standards of care and protection for everyone undergoing fertility treatment. The HFEA has created specific consent forms that are required by law. These forms cover important areas, such as obtaining your consent to treatment using your eggs, sperm, or embryos, how long your materials can be stored, legal parenthood rights for you and your partner, and what happens to your stored materials in different circumstances. These forms aren't just paperwork, they're your legal safeguards. They ensure your wishes are documented, respected, and legally protected throughout your treatment and beyond. Every fertility clinic in the UK must use these forms, and they're essential for your treatment to proceed. Clinics must also obtain information from patients for the HFEA register, which holds records of all fertility treatments in the UK. Now, before you begin completing your consent forms, let's make sure you have everything you need to hand. This preparation will help you complete your forms first time, without delays. You will need your identity document, your National Health Service number, and if you are married or in a civil partnership, a document confirming your marital status. If you are having treatment with a partner, you will also need their ID document details and their National Health Service number. Your consent forms are important legal documents, and it is essential that you enter your full legal name and date of birth, exactly as they appear on your identity document. Valid identity documents include a passport, a UK driving licence, or any other government-issued identity card. You will need to upload an image of your identity document, which can be in PDF, JPEG, or PNG format. You will need your National Health Service number. In England and Wales, this is your NHS number. For Northern Ireland, it is your HCN or Health and Care number. In Scotland, it is your CHI or Community Health Index number. If you are married or in a civil partnership, you will need to confirm your legal marital status, as this has ramifications on the legal parenthood of any child conceived from your treatment. You will need details from your marriage or civil partnership document. You may also be asked to upload an image of this document, which can be in PDF, JPEG, or PNG format. If you are having treatment with a partner, it is essential that, before you complete your consent forms, you discuss and agree your choices with your partner. If your answers and your partner's answers differ, it will mean your forms will be reissued, leading to delays in your treatment. Remember to have your partner's details to hand, such as date of birth, their identity document number, and their National Health Service number. If you have any questions about providing this information, please talk to your clinic before completing your consent forms. Your fertility journey deserves the very best support, medically, emotionally, and legally. Informed consent is an essential part of that journey, and with fertility consent, it becomes a clear, straightforward process that protects your rights and respects your choices. You will have received details of how to access our fertility portal. If not, the web addresses are Liverpool, hfc-liverpool.fertilityconsent.com, Knutsford, hfc-knutsford.fertilityconsent.com. Remember, you're not just completing forms. You're taking control of your treatment, understanding your options, and moving forward with confidence. Your clinic team here at the Hewitt Fertility Centre are here to help and support you every step of the way.